look so bloated this morning. I just woke up. Hi everyone, today I will be unboxing this box that I received from Nomakenolife just a couple of days ago. So Nomakenolife is a beauty box subscription provider that I've worked with last year. So since then, things have slightly changed. So back in 2018, Nomakenolife only focuses on Japanese beauty products, but this time around they've actually ventured into K-beauty as well. So now all of their boxes will have a mixture of both Japanese and Korean beauty products. So each box will contain a handful of full-size Japanese and Korean beauty products, and they are priced at around $30-ish depending on the subscription plan that you're on. They also provide worldwide shipping, so the prices are fixed regardless of where you are on this planet. So the box I'm holding is their August 2019 edition box, and to be honest, I've already went online to see what's in this box because I was just so excited. So without further ado, let's open this box together because I want to see what are the shades that I got. Okay, so open it. Ah, so cute! If you watch my videos, you'll know that pink is my favorite color, so this is like my weakness. So every box will come with one booklet that will tell you everything you need to know about the products, because some of them they don't have English directions or instructions, so this book will tell you everything that you need to know. I'm going to start with this particular product that I am very interested in. This is the Momo Uru-Hada Our Pectino Foaming Tool plus Cleansing Powder Set. So as you can already tell, this is no ordinary cleanser. This cleanser comes in a powder form, and it also comes with a cleansing tool. So let's open it up first. So this is the cleanser and this is the foaming tool. So you can choose not to use the foaming tool, but with the foaming tool you'll be able to easily achieve a much denser, softer and fluffier foam. So obviously I will be using the foaming tool. So it might look a little bit complicated, but it's actually very easy to use. All you need to do is pour 1/3 of the sachet into this and then add some water and then just pump until you get the foam that you desire. So more about this cleanser. This cleanser is supposed to be deep cleansing, so it's only recommended that you use it twice a week. Ingredients wise, I've went online to check. It's not the best, but it's not terrible either. I think it's a cool product, but will I use it regularly? Probably no. Because my philosophy on skincare is that skincare should be gentle and consistent. So for me, I feel like there's no need to deep cleanse if you are always properly cleansing your face every single day. I also couldn't find the pH level of this cleanser online, but it's cool. Cool. I've watched too much Brooklyn Nine-Nine. But yeah, I really like the foaming tool because I love foamy cleansers. And you can actually use your own cleanser with this foaming tool as well. And I haven't tried that yet, but that's what they say you can do. Moving on, we've got another facial cleanser. This is the Deve Sumi Skincare Face Wash. So this cleanser comes in 4 variations, but this is the one that I got. So it says here it is infused with Choco. It deeply absorbs dirt, excess oil, and dead skin cells from pores, gently cleanses while keeping skin's natural moisture balance. So sounds good, but one of the key points of this cleanser is that it contains all natural ingredients, and that is one of my trigger points. So I'm not fond of natural ingredients. Natural ingredients are basically ingredients that are not formulated or created in a lab. So things like plants, food, charcoal, clay, and I just find it quite stupid. People actually prefer using natural ingredients like lemon juice, potato juice on their skin as opposed to like chemical ingredients such as ascorbic acid, aka vitamin C, and I think it's crazy, but that is a whole other story for another day. This cleanser, I couldn't find the ingredient list online, but it says here it contains natural fragrance, and natural fragrance is just another word for essential oils, so definitely not a cleanser that I will personally use, but it does look very nice. Next, I will pick a makeup product to balance things out a little bit. So this is another product I was very excited about. This is the Etude House Lovely Cookie Blusher in the shade PK002. So for this blusher, it comes in 2 shades. So this is the one that I got. I was really excited about this because I actually own one of the shades of the cookie blusher and I really liked it. The thing is, I got it so long ago. I think I got it in 2017. So I'm pretty sure it has expired. Recently, I haven't been using any other blushes other than the ColourPop Soulmate because that was the most recent one that I got, and I'm pretty sure all my other blushes are expired. So I'm happy to have a new blusher to use, and this is just a very natural pink shade that will definitely go well with every look. Another makeup product I was very excited for is this one, and this is the Tony Moly Petite Bunny Gloss Bar. So I don't think I own any Tony Moly products, but this is apparently one of their best sellers, and it's basically a tinted lip balm. I was very excited for this product because I live for tinted lip balms. I recently finished up my Fresh Sugar tinted lip treatment, and so I feel like this came at the right time. So this is the shade. It's very pinky. It looks really nice. I'm going to swatch it on my hand, but you won't be able to see it because the tint is so faint. Not sure how this will look on my lips because my tinted lip balm from Fresh is the color is very obvious. So this one is definitely a lot sheerer, so I'm not sure how this will look like. It smells really nice, smells like strawberries. Going back to skincare, or I guess lip care, I got this lip pack from Choosy. This is the Choosy Moist Lip Pack, and this comes in 2 different flavors, mint chocolate or chocolate banana. So I got mint chocolate. Obviously haven't used it yet, but I'm very excited because I think this will smell amazing. I did went online to check on the ingredients, and it contains some odd ingredients that I've never seen before. Oils, a bunch of fragrance, and some essential oils. So I guess what I'll do is apply a layer of Vaseline on the surrounding skin before applying this so I don't irritate my skin. Next, I've got the Even Lip Spout Pouch Snail Essential Cream. So when I first saw this, I thought it was a mask, but no, it's actually a cream in a pouch. So this contains snail mucus, which is a really popular ingredient in skincare. It is known to be able to help with healing as well as to help with boosting the elasticity of the skin. So I've used products with snail mucus before, and I feel like it really helps speed up the healing of acne scars. But looking at the ingredient list, the snail mucus is like the last third ingredient, so I'm not sure if that will actually do anything for your skin. Also, this contains avocado oil, which makes it not suitable for people with acne prone skin, but if you're not acne prone, I feel like this is worth trying because this is alcohol, fragrance, and essential oil free. So technically this doesn't contain any harmful ingredients unless you are acne prone. Texture wise, I feel like it feels very watery and gelish. It's not oily, it's not shiny, so yeah. Next, I've got the Choco Mint face mask, and just hearing the name, I know that this will not be suitable for me. One of the key points of this sheet mask is that it contains mint to help refresh and tighten the skin, and the other key point is that this smells amazing. So immediately you can already tell that this is definitely loaded with fragrance and or essential oils. I couldn't find the ingredient list in English online. So smelling good has nothing to do with the health of your skin. Like, fragrance provides zero benefits for your skin, and I haven't actually heard much about mint providing any like extraordinary benefits for the skin. Either way, I've stopped using sheet mask altogether because, like I said, skincare is about consistency, you know, there's no need for like a one-time thing. So I will definitely not be using this. It's interesting though to know that people will actually buy this because it literally says here that this is a dessert mask, so it's obviously not gonna do anything like amazing for your skin. It's just a really nice smelling thing, so like you might as well just go and have mint chocolate ice cream. Finally, we are ending on a good note because this is another product I was super excited for. This is the Aurora Eye Lip Topper. So I love glitter flakes. I am always adding those to my inner corners and my lower lash line. I feel like they make all the difference. This one comes in 3 shades, silver, purple, or pink, and I'm so lucky because I got silver and I wanted silver. So I'm actually gonna try it right now because I know it's gonna be in the box, and I wanted to try it. So I didn't really put any glitter flakes on my inner corners and lower lash line today, just some highlighter. So I'm gonna test it out. So it comes in this teeny tiny little bottle. Oh my god, I don't have a mirror. I guess I'll have to use the viewfinder. I wasn't really expecting this kind of applicator, but whatever. I put some on my hand and I'm gonna try and put it on my lips. Okay, it's very subtle. I kind of like it. It makes a little bit of a difference, but I like it. I like the difference, but it's very subtle, which, I mean, in a way it's nice. I do quite like it on my lips. Not really sure about my eyes. Maybe I need a mirror, but yeah, so far it just feels like a liquid eyeshadow, and I was expecting like a clear gel with really big chunky glitters. Bit disappointing, but maybe I can actually use this as a liquid eyeshadow on its own. I do like liquid eyeshadows. I'm using a liquid eyeshadow today. So I might actually try and use this as a liquid eyeshadow. So those are everything in this box. Looking at the products, I do feel like it's value for money because you get a lot of cool stuff, and you know, especially Japanese products. I really don't know where to find Japanese beauty products, so I feel like this especially is super cool. And if you like a specific product in the box, for example, if you really like this cleanser and you want to stock up, you are afraid of running out of it, you can actually purchase this product alone on their website. So as always, I'll leave the links to Nomakenolife in the description box below so you can check them out if you're interested. So we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you soon in my next one. Bye!